kami sa river. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, yung pato. Pabo sa atin. Pilipinas. Ayan o. Ayan o. Diba sa atin? Ayan. Wala na. Kinakain na yan. Diyos ko. Dito hindi. Bawal. Ayan.
No, I'm fishing. I can't look behind me.
Daddy's fishing.
Hang on, son.
Ayan. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung isa. Ang ganda niya, oh. Ano yan, oh. Ibon. Ang laki. Napakalaki. Ayan, oh. Dito, nakikita dito. Ayan, sa river nila. Dito, walang ano. Oh, ayan, oh. Uy, nakakuha na siya ng fish. Ay, nothing. Oh, he lost it. I thought he gets one. Oh.
That's 3 I've lost. Well, that's 3 fish.
Ang hirap.
Give some ducks to spread.
I don't really.
Yeah, yes, but it's in the other side.
Yes, I
Be
know it is.
careful. You don't run around without any shoes on. Kasi itong anak ko naman, oh. Ha? They've flown away. Yan, gusto niya pakainin yung pabo, kaya lang, ayan na, pinapakain ng ano. Be careful. No, 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 don't do that. Don't treat him like that, please. Binabato niya yung pabo eh. You can give them food, but not something like that. Yan, yung anak ko.
Hello.
Okay, get in. Yes, hello. Yeah. What are you looking for? Huh? Ants. Okay.
I
Where
found
is it?
obsidian.
Obsidian. Where is the ants? Oh yes, there are some ants. Ayan, ants.
Kill
daw.
ants.
Oy, don't kill them. Why
Kill
you need to
ants.
kill them?
Kill ant.
Yung pulang-pulang ano. Nangangagat nga yan.
Obsidian.
Obsidian.